Remember dial-up internet? The screeching sounds of connecting? The agonizing wait for a web page to load? Your resume shouldn't be a relic from that era either. We've all been there. You stumble upon your old resume, buried in a digital folder or tucked away in a dusty file cabinet. It's a time capsule of your career past, filled with outdated formatting and experiences that seem as relevant as an 8-track player. The job market has changed drastically. It's more competitive than ever, especially for seasoned professionals over 40. Your old resume, with its tired format and irrelevant information, simply won't cut it. You need a resume that screams, "I am experienced, adaptable, and ready to contribute." But fear not. Crafting a job-winning resume isn't as daunting as it seems. With the Smart Hire Academy Resume Blueprint, we'll transform your resume from a forgotten relic to a powerful tool that opens doors to new opportunities and higher earnings. You've got the experience. Let's make sure your resume reflects it. Why is a stellar resume so crucial, you ask? Well, think of it as the foundation of your professional journey. It's not just a piece of paper. It's a reflection of your skills, experiences, and aspirations. A resume is your personal marketing tool designed to showcase your unique value to potential employers. Think of it as your golden ticket in the job search Wonka factory. Just like a golden ticket grants access to a world of wonders, a well-crafted resume opens doors to opportunities you might have only dreamed of. It's the key that unlocks doors to interviews, career advancement, and yes, even that much desired salary bump. Imagine walking into an interview room with confidence, knowing that your resume has already made a strong impression. A well-crafted resume is your first impression, your chance to grab the hiring manager's attention and convince them that you're the perfect candidate. It's your opportunity to highlight your strengths and make a compelling case for why you should be hired. An outdated resume can hold you back from reaching your full potential. It can make you appear out of touch with current industry standards and trends, which can be a major red flag for employers. It can mean settling for a job that doesn't excite you, or worse, being overlooked entirely. You might find yourself stuck in a role that doesn't challenge you or help you grow, simply because your resume didn't do you justice. But an updated, modern resume that showcases your skills and experience in a compelling way, that's a game changer. It can set you apart from other candidates and make you a top contender for the positions you desire. That's what gets you noticed. A resume that tells your story effectively can lead to more interview calls, positive feedback, and ultimately, job offers. That's what helps you stand out from the crowd and land your dream job. It's about making a memorable impression that leaves no doubt in the employer's mind that you are the right fit for the role. This isn't just about a job, it's about investing in yourself and your future. A great resume is an investment in your career trajectory, helping you climb the professional ladder and achieve your long-term goals. It's about taking control of your career and aiming for the stars. When you put effort into creating a standout resume, you're taking a proactive step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? A powerful resume can be the catalyst for higher salaries and better job offers, reflecting your true worth in the job market. Let's dive into the Smart Hire Academy Resume Blueprint and build a resume that gets results. Together, we'll craft a document that not only opens doors, but also paves the way for a successful and rewarding career. Let's start with the foundation of a winning resume, honesty. It's the cornerstone of a credible and compelling resume. When you present your true self, you not only build trust, but also set realistic expectations for your potential employer. It might seem obvious, but in the age of digital embellishment, it's important to remember that your resume should reflect your genuine experience. Exaggerating your skills or fabricating job titles might seem tempting, but it can lead to dire consequences. Fabrications have a funny way of unraveling, often at the worst possible moment. Imagine being asked to demonstrate a skill you claimed to have but don't. The anxiety and potential embarrassment can be career damaging. Honesty doesn't mean you can't present your experience in the best possible light. It's about highlighting your true achievements and skills in a way that aligns with the job you're applying for. Are you switching careers? Frame it positively. Emphasize the unique perspectives and skills you bring from your previous roles. Highlight transferable skills and emphasize how your past experience makes you uniquely qualified for this new challenge. For instance, if you were in customer service and are moving to sales, stress your communication skills and customer understanding. Remember, a career change isn't a U-turn. It's a strategic pivot towards your true calling. It's an opportunity to leverage your existing skills in a new and exciting way. Honesty builds trust, and trust is essential in any job search. When employers see that you are genuine, they are more likely to believe in your potential and invest in your growth. When you're truthful on your resume, you're setting the stage for an honest and transparent relationship with your potential employer. This transparency can lead to a more supportive and understanding work environment. This authenticity will shine through in your interviews and help you land the job that's the right fit for you. Employers appreciate candidates who are self-aware and honest about their strengths and areas for improvement. So, let's build your resume on a foundation of truth and integrity. Use clear and concise language to describe your experiences and achievements. It's not just the ethical thing to do, it's the smart thing to do for your career. A truthful resume paves the way for a fulfilling and successful professional journey. Now, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the backbone of your resume in today's job market. They are the specific terms and phrases that employers and recruiters use to identify the right candidates for a job. Without the right keywords, your resume might never even be seen by a human eye. In today's digital world, your resume needs to speak the language of applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These systems are used by most companies to filter through the massive number of applications they receive. If your resume doesn't contain the right keywords, it might be automatically rejected before anyone even reads it. These systems are like digital gatekeepers, scanning resumes for specific keywords to identify potential candidates. They look for matches between the job description and the content of your resume. If there's a match, your resume moves forward in the process. If not, it gets discarded. Your mission? Speak their language. This means you need to understand what keywords are relevant to the job you're applying for and make sure they are included in your resume. But how do you find these keywords? Think of keywords as the secret code to unlocking job opportunities. They are the key to getting your resume noticed and moving forward in the hiring process. Where do you find these magical words? Job descriptions, my friend. Job descriptions are a goldmine of information. They tell you exactly what the employer is looking for in a candidate. Carefully analyze the language used in the job postings that interest you. Look for recurring terms and phrases. These are the keywords you need to include in your resume. What skills and qualifications are emphasized? Pay attention to the specific skills, qualifications, and experiences that are mentioned multiple times. These are the keywords that are most important to the employer. Incorporate these keywords naturally throughout your resume, especially in your skills section and work experience descriptions. Make sure they fit seamlessly into the context of your resume. But remember, keyword stuffing is a no-no. Don't just cram your resume with keywords in an attempt to game the system. This can backfire and make your resume look unprofessional. Don't just cram your resume with irrelevant terms. This can make your resume look cluttered and difficult to read, which can turn off potential employers. Use keywords strategically and organically to highlight your genuine qualifications. This means placing them in the right sections of your resume and ensuring they accurately reflect your skills and experiences. Think of it as a subtle art, like seasoning a delicious meal. Just as a chef carefully seasons a dish to enhance its flavor, you should carefully add keywords to your resume to enhance its appeal. Too much salt can ruin the dish, but just the right amount enhances the flavor. The same goes for keywords in your resume. Use them wisely and sparingly to make the best impression. By using the right keywords, you'll ensure that your resume makes it past the ATS and into the hands of a real-life human being, a hiring manager who's eager to learn more about you. This is your chance to shine and show them why you're the perfect fit for the job.